Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. I got the screen recording started up here, and what we're going to be getting into today is the upcoming KD4 NERF, which is really one of the first releases we're going to be starting out July with. It's rumored for July 1st. I mean, I'm talking very, very soon. So we're going to get into the release details, what we got going on, some of the early resale prices, and yeah, what you're going to expect from this release coming soon. Since it's not loaded on Snkrs, I'm going to show you something I've never, I'm seriously saying never seen on Snkrs, at least not in probably 4 years or so. So it's been a long time since I've seen something like this. Literally nothing on the upcoming tab. I'll show you guys that in a second. But if you guys want more content like this, feel free to check my Instagrams, any of that down below. And also, it's my birthday today, so you know, feel free to say happy birthday, any of that down below. Your boy just turned 22. Got a lot coming up this year. It's going to be a big year. That is all I can say. You know, the goals are big, but we're gonna hit them. So, you know, that's all I really got to say. Feel free to check my IGs. I'm always buying and selling here. I am trading again. So if you ever want to do business with me, feel free to hit me up. Shoot me a message. If I didn't get back to you, just shoot me another. I promise I will eventually see it. I'm sorry I say it like that, but yeah, I will see it. And don't forget, if you guys want to check out my sourcing group, which is on the way, July 1st, we are launching, so same day as the KD4 NERF release, but what we specialize in is bringing you undermarket sneakers, bringing the source directly to you, and we have a consignment partner in there now, so they're going to show you how to consign sneakers. Also, they'll let you consign sneakers at their store. We got a guide for that, and we have a few other things as well, but it's mainly undermarket sneakers. That's our main focus, not really like a cook group or a sourcing group, so basically getting you the deals you want at better prices. Mainly hype sneakers, so at better prices, under market. So yeah, that's all I really need to say. I hope to see you guys there. You can check out the YouTube memberships down below as well if you want to stay tuned for any of those live streams, watch them back, and you can see some of the other features down below. But I've said enough, and yeah, why don't we get into this birthday video? Someone told me to take a day off. Respectfully, no days off. No shade, seriously. But and yeah, they wish me happy birthday too. So it's all love. But yeah, I could never take a day off on a day like today. I mean, it's so nice outside. You know what I mean? It's like the perfect day to work. But aside from that, that's really off topic. I don't know why I'm discussing that. So looking at the early resale prices on the KD4 NERF, as you guys can see, we're at a range of about $275 to $450. The bigger sizes are going for more. As you can see, I mean, 13 is at almost 500. Same with 12. Those are both listed at the same price. Clearly, the person that's listing these is the same guy, other than size 11. There's one other person that has size 11, but you can see, look, they basically priced these in a difference of $25 intervals. I mean, look, they got 10 and 10.5 at the same, they got 11.5 and 12 at the same, 13 at the same, 7 through 8.5 at the same. So this is all one seller, most likely. However, understanding this, once more people get their pairs in, I believe you could see these dropping a decent amount of price. I believe the retail is a lot lower than I thought. Yeah, $150. So these aren't like a crazy expensive sneaker, but I could easily see these flipping for, again, my personal prediction is $200 to $300. I'm expecting those bigger sizes, 11, 12, 13, those are going to flip for more. And if we're going off if we're basing this off how other KD4s they've redone earlier this year, how much stock of those they've had, I mean, go look at the KD4 Galaxy we had earlier this year. There was just not a lot of those. Very, very limited sneaker that they did in Snkrs. It ended up having like, sorry, I saw something over there, my bad. In my backyard right now, so you never know. But hey, aside from that, basically, the KD Galaxy, when they dropped those on Snkrs, they only had 13 or 14,000 pairs. It was not a very stocked release. That's one of the main things I just want to be understood, is I don't think they're going to make a ton of pairs of these. I mean, they could, but if we're looking at, again, other KDs that, you know, are kind of vintage or older, you know, ones that people, you know, you like me used to wear maybe back in high school. I mean, this would have even, you know, maybe like the seniors when I was a freshman in high school, they would have been wearing kicks like this, because I was more around, you know, their time. When I got in, you know, that's when, you know, the dunk craze and, you know, mainly Yeezy was trying to press, Yeezy 350, stuff like that. That's what was hot when I was in high school, and like the Off-White Air Forces, stuff like that. Just a couple examples I can name off the top of my head. But yeah, realistically, I see these reselling to $200 to $300. If they end up dropping in price like significantly to like $170, like $250, then this is one of those shoes I could see, you know, shooting up in price after, you know, they don't do a lot of them on Snkrs. But that's a big maybe. We have to wait for stock numbers before we can really say what a prediction is. So that's just an early one right off the bat, $200, $300. I think that's a safe range, just where I could see them ending up most likely. Maybe some of the smaller sizes, 7, 7.5. Those could dip under 200 easily, maybe 8 even, or 8.5. It just, again, we have to wait in stock. So I'm going to do that. The sun's getting in my face, so let me see if I can adjust my camera view a little bit. There we go. All right. It's a little bit better right there. But aside from that, again, when you go on Snkrs, there's nothing. I mean, literally nothing on the upcoming tab. I'm not kidding. You can see in stock and then upcoming. Nothing. There's nothing. So they're waiting to post their July releases. Maybe they'll do something for us at the end of this month, maybe for like the Paris Olympic Force, something like that, because we got a lot of heat dropping in July. It's just yeah, we have literally nothing loaded at the moment. So yeah, $150 retail price. They're saying July 2024. I'm hearing July 1st. Again, that's what it says in Snkrs. That's what a lot of these articles out there are saying. But it could easily get pushed back because I've also seen July 3rd. But I believe that's the same drop date as, again, the sneaker I was discussing yesterday on the channel, the Jordan 4 Bike Air, excuse me, RM. So I would just keep that in mind. You know what I mean? The release date on these could move, but it is going to be in July, and a lot of people are predicting right at the start of the month. But it's going to be a popular shoe. They probably won't make a lot of them. I mean, there'll be a decent amount of online raffles, I would say, but I would enter for them because, again, these are going to flip. It's not like they're going to brick. This is a classic sneaker for a lot of people and a throwback for a lot of people as well. So, you know, some of the people that maybe had a pair of these in high school or couldn't get them back in high school, maybe they got some money now and they're actually able to afford some pairs, and they're like, hey, you know what? I'm going to go out the way and get these because I actually got some money now, so I'm going to be wearing these. So I totally get that. There's definitely going to be some pairs that, you know, they redo from when I was in high school in a few years or so, and I'm going to be like, oh yeah, I got to have those. Like, because back then I couldn't get them, but now, you know, I'm able to get them. So that'll be nice, you know, when we get to that point, but we are not there yet. I'm not old yet, you know what I mean? I'm not old yet. I'm mainly just kidding around. But yeah, aside from that, it's always good to see something that people really liked return. Because, I mean, the OG KD Nerfs, you want to talk about something that goes for some bread, here, let me show you something right here. 2011 pair. Let me show you this. Woo! Check it out. None are even listed. Look, I mean, size 10 at 1300. Let's check out the most recent sales. I'm not even trying to mess with you guys when I say it's 580. Look at that. I mean, the only reason these ones are lower is because, again, the new release is on the way, so the price has probably dropped a little bit. People aren't going to be looking for this pair as much, but look at that. Wow. Okay, so just shows you. These could do very, very well over time if you just wait a long time, but again, it depends how long you want to wait. But obviously, they'll do well. Because, you know, once KD retires from basketball, I mean, all his sneakers are going to become worth more, especially some of the ones like this, because they're no longer going to make KD models. And, you know, these again, getting a couple of these and putting them away might not be a bad idea. Waiting for that. I'm not saying KD's old. I'm just saying when that happens, it's kind of like the Chris Paul lows. Once he retires, boom. So that's you know, what I personally think. But again, these are all predictions. This is just what I'm mainly thinking. The drop date is rumored to be right at the start of July, so July 1st. And yeah, just stay tuned for that. That's really what I can say, because this will be a good flip, but it's also a great personal cop, maybe for some of my people that had him back in high school and are looking for a new pair, or some of my people that couldn't get him back in high school and, well, now are going to be looking to get him because they got the money to get him, or, well, they took the L back then and now they need him. So I fully understand that. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, again, feel free to check out my Instagrams. I'm always buying, selling, and trading here. But also just, I post a lot of content here, like, you know, early pair photos. I post a lot of reels. So you just generally want to stay tuned for some other stuff I got on the way. Feel free to check that out here. And if you ever want to do business, just shoot me a DM. I got tons of stuff for sale on my story. It is my birthday today, so I'm not going to be posting as much, but I still will be posting some stuff for sale. Again, we're still working today, so that's what I will say. But yeah, I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you all, as always, for supporting the channel. It means more than you know. And I'm excited to see all you guys that will join Resell Vision on July 1st as well. We got a lot of deals for week 1. As you guys can see, I don't even know if I put this in the intro. I'll try and pop up a picture of it. But yeah, you can see we got some crazy deals all the way for week 1. And we're going to be extending the bread reimagined sizes. We'll do 8 through 13. It'll just depend on, you know, what size people really need. So yeah, that'll be it. We'll do a few, you know, just kind of at a random time. We'll do a few at scheduled time. It'll be kind of fun. And you guys will see how those deals will go. And we also got a giveaway again for the Canary LO. So if you just want to join for a chance to win a free pair of Canaries, I mean, yeah, we're doing that. So don't miss out. But that's what I can say. Make sure you tell your friend too, because we're going to be doing a referral system. So you invite your friend, you know, you get like 10%. So that's a little cool thing as well. Another thing that we set up for you guys, 10 or 15%, something like that. So I'm gonna end that screen recording right there. And yeah, not too much to say. Stay tuned for the deals. Stay tuned for my IG. Got some of the neighbors working right here. So I'm gonna close out the video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you all. Stay tuned for the Nerfs, KD Nerfs, and I'll catch you on the next one tomorrow. Don't miss out on that. Peace.